Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to get a soundboard for Discord. So first of all, open your Discord. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Simply open a server, tap on this arrow icon, click on to server settings, soundboard, and now shown here to your soundboard option, and you can easily choose a file from your desktop and type here your name, emoji, and click on to upload. So that's how you can easily get a soundboard for Discord. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.